M2IA robots' end-of-arm tools feature PIAB vacuum generators, complete with custom machine profiles, ensuring product stability throughout the pick-and-place cycle. The FANUC IR Vision system features a backlight light array and camera filters, ensuring accurate product tracking regardless of packaging finish or graphics. The StrongPoint automation system features a servo-driven metering system to introduce cartons into the packaging stream. Interchangeable belt profiles allow for packing of 2x2 horizontal and bulk clubbed formats. Line balancing ensures that cartons are fully packed prior to cell discharge. When vertical cartoning is required, a matrix of FANUC M2IA robots is used to sort and orient the pouches for introduction into dual product collators. Each vertical collator is driven from dual Allen-Bradley Stratix series servo motors to allow for random product